backpack on. You're like Dora the Explorer.
Yeah, I'm friends with Elizabeth Taylor. Let's meet through this radar.
Such a nut. Three, two, one. Any of them?
It seems like you're moving fast this side as well.
None. None of them. Oh wait, that was mine. It only took 5 minutes. Hi everyone, so it is Friday. I'm in my little lemon tracksuit looking like a marshmallow with no makeup on, with my hair looking like this. But I thought I'd pick up the camera and show the abomination that is my fridge. I'm organising it, I'm cleaning it out, I'm getting rid of all the crap that we're not going to eat or is out of date or is just taking up room. So it's quite embarrassing. Like, it's in dire need of a clean out, so I don't know why I thought I'd pick up the camera and show you what riveting content that is, but you would not catch me on cribs with this fridge. Look how bad that is. Don't know how we got to that stage, but I'll show you what it looks like after. I'm hoping it'll look very different. I'm slowly but surely getting there. So this is all organised. We've got a lot of sauces and dips and stuff. I've done the top shelf and I'm just wiping down all the sides, making sure it's spotless, and then I need to reorganise everything, but it's so satisfying. You know, you're getting old when stuff like this is satisfying. And it is done. Look how empty it is. But look how clean it looks. So organised. Phew! And now we've got some food to put in it. We have a full fridge again. But at least it's more organised than it was before. At least that's one job done for the day. Trained him well. Don't know about anyone else. Oh, you can see me in the TV. But I'm obsessed with Ugly Betty. I forgot just how good it is. So if anyone's forgotten about this great show, you can watch it on Disney Plus. It's so good. Binging it. Even the dog likes it. Don't you, Milo? Hey! He really needs a trim, bless him. Shift is over, so we're going for a walk. It's Easter, baby! I'm excited for alcohol and chocolate. You excited? You excited for your walk? What? What's Michael doing?
Let's go.
Most impatient dog ever.
she's looking for.
It is Friday evening and Mike has gone to get us some burgers and chips, and he's going to get me a milkshake, an Oreo milkshake, which I'm excited for, from a place called Urban Fresh that do really good takeaway. It's a bit like Subway but for like burgers and stuff, so we're having that. I've lit all the candles. Don't know if you can see. I'm really into burning these at the minute, like these incense sticks. I actually got it from Poundland for £1 and it smells like vanilla and it just smells great. It really relaxes me. And now I'm just gonna probably watch some anime or something whilst Mike's gone to get the food. Fun Friday. Oh yes, I swear this is the best milkshake. I got a bacon cheeseburger, and there's the chips, and you get this cheese sauce, and it's just amazing.
To prove themselves out before one of them gets blocked.
Hey,
It's exactly that. That's
hey Milo.
the at-risk ants will
Love
offer
you.
the wisest advice to the players to try and impress
Love
them.
you.
This is a chance for them to show
Hey.
off their personalities. A lot of people want
Oh, so I've just tried to do a workout. Let me open my book. I just pulled the blind down. Oh my god. Oops. So I've just done a workout. I did a bit of boxing with Mike and then I tried to do like squats and lunges and stuff like that. And I was just really struggling with it. Got no energy this morning. It's probably because it's the dreaded time of the month. Aunt Flo has paid me a visit. So I did 20 minutes and I thought I can't do any more. So now I'm going to give Milo a shower because he needs it. I'm going to have a shower because I need it. And then this afternoon we're going round to Mike's cousin's and best friend's house for some drinks in the garden because you're allowed now. So I think it'll be a good Saturday. Are you ready to have a shower? Are you? No, stay there. Look at the state of my bottoms. I've just given him a little trim around his face. And now we're going to give you a shower, aren't we? Oh, we got a soggy doggy, haven't we? Oh. No, don't lick it. Don't lick it. No. Over there. Oh, look at all that dirt coming off. leave it just marinated. The pork, a bit of mixed herbs, black pepper, garlic. Gonna shove that in, takes about 2.5 hours. And then we're gonna have a nice roast later. But for now we're watching the Oxford and Cambridge boat race. And I'm having some delicious Prosecco. Finally got to open it. I swear it's been in the fridge for months. So, but yeah, having a really good Easter so far. Just prepping the stuff for the roast, doing some honey roasted carrots and parsnips. Gonna do some stuffing, some mash, some roasters. I'm sure it'll be delicious. So yeah, I'm just getting on. Oh Jesus. Outfit of the day, I've got this hoodie from Zara, these trousers from M&S, and my high top Converse. But yeah, it's like blue skies. You expect it to be nice, but it's really windy. But we'll see how we get on. And we've got a little pink eye moment going on too. So, I'm feeling really rough. I don't know if I've overdone it these last couple of days with drinking and just being like full on since, well, we did that Clumber Park and then had the barbecue, then on another barbecue today. I just feel like my body's like, whoa, where's all this come from? So we had to leave the barbecue a little bit early because I was feeling really rough, like got really bad like nausea and really tired, and I've just had like an hour's nap and I've just woke up feeling the same, still really tired. My head's banging. I just think I've overdone it. I might be a bit dehydrated because I've been having alcohol, but not a lot of water and stuff like that. So Mike, bless him, has got me a juice. We're gonna have a relatively light dinner because we've had a lot of like burgers and sausages and stuff like that, and nothing with like veg. So I thought I'd end the vlog here. I hope you have enjoyed it. I know it's been a bit of a hodgepodge, a bit of a mash-up, probably being a little bit hard to follow what's going on, what day it is and all that, but I'll put it together and I'll put what day it is, so it might be a bit easier to follow. But back to work tomorrow. One good thing is me and Mike booked our flights to Boston today because Boris has brought out this traffic light system thing with international travel and said that if it's on like the green traffic light, then that's a place that's fine to go to, and there's rumours that America is on it's in the green category. So we were like, oh god, like to be honest, we hadn't seen that yet because he did the speech today at 5 confirming that. So we booked it this morning because we're like, what if the flights prices go up even more? And they've already gone up since we were going to book a few months ago. Like a few months ago we looked and they were like 250 or something, and now they're like 400. So we're worried that they're going to go up even more, especially now that USA might be on the green traffic light, because people will be like, oh, I really want to go to America then, if I'm allowed to go there and don't have to quarantine and all that jazz. So we might have booked that just in time, but we've booked it with Virgin, and you can like change the date or the destination for free. So if we can't end up going in end of June, July, we can always go later on in the year, or go use that money to fly somewhere else. So that's something exciting that we've done today. But yeah, I just thought I'd end the vlog. I hope everyone had a lovely Easter, and it was nice to film a vlog again, and hopefully with the easing of restrictions can do more, can go shopping again, go to restaurants, go on day trips, and I can do more interesting vlogs and take you all along with me. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.